One night stay, lovely room, welcoming staff, great location. Very good stay. We booked this for a friend's leaving due in York and decided to make a night of it. It was 5 to 10 minutes walk from the train station and same in York City. Receptionist was lovely, booking in the room very well equipped and very clean. A slight booking mistake with us getting a twin room. That was sorted with no fuss. The only minor issue was the cleaning staff in the morning. We were room 6 opposite a linen cupboard and the two ladies were quite noisy when doing their work. They woke us just after 8 a.m. but it was interesting listening to their conversations. Smiley face emoji. Overall we'd definitely come back but would ask for a room further away from the cupboard. Exceptional, nice quiet street within easy distance of all amenities. Couldn't fault anything really. Would definitely stay again. Pleasant stay, amazing location and room was a good size. Shower was wonderful. Great, unfussy, high quality, low price hotel, absolutely great. Right in the center of everything. All the facilities you need. Brilliant midweek price. We'll be going back. Family trip with parents, pros, great locations, fabulous rooms with very comfortable beds, awesome bathrooms, and shower, very friendly and helpful staff. Cons, we were on second floor, only accessible via stairs. As we were traveling with parents with various joint pains, it was a little difficult for them to get up and down, which was not a huge issue. We were there in end of August, so the rooms did get a little too warm in the night, so could do with a portable fan in the room. These are very insignificant cons given just how amazing the pros were. We really enjoyed our stay at the Jorvik, so thanks so much for looking after us, team. Perfect stay. We had a perfect stay. Hotel is very basic but the staff are very friendly. It's within a walking distance to the city center and the railway station. There is a large open parking area just behind the hotel. We were here during the off-peak season and obviously hotel rates are cheaper. Great hotel, lovely hotel. Room was superb, lovely receptionist.